Hello, today we are going to talk about Cholamandalam Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Cholamandalam Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 1 crore to no limit. Co-applicant age should be between 24 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 3 lakh to 35 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 60 month. Rate of interest will be 18.50% to 22% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 1 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed, but after 12 months. Business registration proof is mandatory. If applicant is other than proprietorship form or if applicant age is less than 30 years, then co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 2.50 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence. One should be owned at business place. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Cholamandalam Business Loan sanction: turnaround time 1 day. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are both side rented, applicant, school, grain trader, advocate, jewelers, share traders, gym, liquor business, civil contractor, hotel and restaurant, tour and travel, real estate. No specific product for professionals. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.